This is a remote learning initiative by Thakur Vidya Mandir Global School affiliated to the New Delhi CBSE board located in Uttar Pradesh, India. Reading practice for students 1 to 100. Like every other day, this class of 100 students were taught their usual lessons. The lecturer gave the students a question to add all the numbers from 1 to 100. This would keep them occupied all afternoon as he sat at his desk to relax. Just as he had finished giving the instructions, young Karl went up to him. Handing over his slate, young Karl said that he was done. Perturbed, the lecturer told him to place it on the desk. Young Karl sat quietly at his desk the whole afternoon while his fellow classmates toiled to chalk down the answer. One by one, the other students finished their addition and stacked their slates above Karl's. After the last student turned in his slate, the lecturer pulled out Karl's slate from the pile. He was astonished to find that Karl had written the correct answer. And that's all he wrote on the slate. There was no calculation or theorem on this slate. How had Karl managed to do it? How did he manage to avoid the tedious and repetitive task to get the correct answer so quickly? Indeed, how had the young Karl accomplished this? Can you figure it out? Let's think about it. Carl Friedrich Gauss noticed a pattern, as is often the case to solve any problem. Let's write all the numbers from 1 to 100 in a horizontal line and add the first number to the last number, then the second number to the second last number, then the third number to the third last number, and so on. You will find that their sum is the same. It's 101. Now suppose the last number 100 is denoted as n. The answer of all n number of pairs will be n plus 1, that is 101. Now the answer 101 is a sum of two numbers, which means that n should be divided into half. N number of n into 1s should be divided by half. So he came up with the formula n by 2 into n plus 1, and that is how he solved the addition from 1 to 100 so quickly. This applies to all the additions that are possible in a series. You can try it for 1 to 1000, 1 to 500, 1 to 1 lakh, and this formula will give you the answer pretty quickly. Try it out. Here's a math maze that will definitely get your math gears running. Pause the video, solve the maze and reach the end point. Then, add your choice and circle the right answer once you reach the ending. On your maths, get set, begin.